Hello everyone. Tayniu sent me this good-looking charging cable to test on my car. This is a Type 2 connector. The plug is of good quality and has a cover. SmoothPro plug for the wall. They also have one with the bigger blue industrial single-phase plug for more power on the other model. Time to peel the protection. This is the electric vehicle supply equipment, EVSE. It controls the transfer of electricity from the local power supply to an electric vehicle so its batteries can recharge safely and efficiently. This is the wall mount. TÜV certification is a good sign of quality. This bag is very useful when traveling so you don't have cables going everywhere. When you connect the power, the unit will light up and you can see the display informations. Temperature, grid voltage, current, power, consumed energy and time. Before charging you can press the button with your finger or hand to access the configurations. By holding 3 seconds you can adjust the current, how long to wait before a charge, how long to charge and the ground protection. Time to charge. It's a sunny day. This is a 2017 Renault Kangoo with a 36 kWh battery. It takes 15 hours at 10 amps or less than 10 hours at 16 amps when empty. We will be charging at 10 amps because I don't have the special 16 amp SmoothPro plug for electric cars.
Five hours later.
It charged more than 12 kWh in 5 hours and a half at 10 amps.